In this short tutorial, you will learn how to have a blank name on TikTok. By following a few simple steps, you can remove your name and leave a blank character in its place. To get started, open up any web browser you like and type in blank character. Tap Go. Then select this exact search result. Now you'll see this Braille character, so what you want to do next is tap and hold the square. Then tap Copy. Once you've copied that, exit the web browser and open up the TikTok app. And then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. Then tap on your name. Get rid of your current TikTok name by tapping on this button. Then paste that blank character. Tap Save at the top right corner. And then tap Confirm. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.